Hello there everybody, my name's Alison and I love to read. Are you reading? Are you reading to your parents? Yeah? Are you reading to yourselves? Yeah, well that's all good. Now are you ready for your lesson? I said, are you ready for your lesson? Oh, that's better, of course you are. It's time for your letters and sound phonics. Here you go. Bye.
Hello children, my name's Josh. Can you remember what a phoneme is? Yes, that's right, it's a sound. Can you remember what a grapheme is? Yes, that's right, it's a sound that's written down. Can you remember what a digraph is? Yes, a digraph is two letters that make one sound. Great remembering. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This says air. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read them aloud with me. Air, your, oo or I, I, e, 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 o, ear. Well done. Now I'm going to mix the cards up. I'll put them into a different order. And I want you to read the graphemes on the cards. I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's check you got them right. Read them aloud with me. I, E, 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 air, your, O, ear, oo or I. Well done! Super sounds! Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Here's a word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, it is the split vowel digraph, I. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. I, n, s, I, d. Inside. When we are in our home, we are inside. Here's my second word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, it is the split vowel digraph, I. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Let's do it together. I, p. Ripe. A ripe fruit is perfectly ready to eat. Here is my third word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is I. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Let's do it together. S, p, I, d. Spied. He looked out his window and spied on a fox. Wow, here's another word. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, it is the split vowel digraph E. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Let's have a go together. X, t, r, e, m. Extreme. If something is extreme, it can be done to the most it can be. An extreme sport like snowboarding might be very, very difficult. Here's another word. Can you spot the digraph? That's right, the digraph is E. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Let's do it together. B-E-D. Bead. You might thread beads onto a string. Here's my final word for you. Can you spot the trigraph? Yes, that's right. The trigraph is your. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Let's have a go together. S, e, k, your. Secure. If something is secure, then it is very safe. Great reading, children. I'm going to mix the words up. I'm shuffling them as a challenge so that they're in a different order. Can you read the words on the card without any help from me? I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? All right, let's check. Read them with me. Extreme. Bead. Ripe. Spied. Secure. Inside. Today, we are learning to read a new way of writing the sound O. I'm going to say the word O a few times and I want you to copy me. Are you ready? O. 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 OK, let's sound talk some words with the phoneme O. Copy me, say the sounds, and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. Are you ready? B, O, th. B, O, th. Have a go. B, O, th. Both. I want both the chocolate sauce and the sprinkles on my ice cream. Copy me. Say the sounds and then blend the sounds to say the word aloud. Are you ready? G, O. G, O. Your turn. G, O. Go! Let's go to the park for a run. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me, say the sounds, and then blend the sounds to say the word. O, L, D. O, L, D. Have a go. O, L, D. Hold. If you pick something up, you can hold it in your hands. We know that the sound O is written like this. This digraph makes the sound O. There is another way to write the sound O, and it looks like this. Let's read the new grapheme for the sound O. Can you say the sound O each time I show you the grapheme O? That was excellent. Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the sound O. Here's my first word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. N-O. No. Did you get it right? Here's another word. Read each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Let's have a go together. S-O. So. Fantastic. Let's read this word. I'll point to each grapheme and then I want you to blend the sounds. Let's read the word together. G-O. Go. Did you get it right? Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. B-O-th. Both. Did you get it right? How about this word? Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. D-O-N-T. Don't. Don't is a shortened version of do not. The apostrophe here shows that a letter is missing. Here's my final word for you. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. O-L-D. Hold. Did Did you get it right? Can you read these words now without any help? Off we go. Okay, let's check. Read them with me. No. So. Go. Both. Don't. Hold. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Don't. So. Hold. Go. No. Both. Fantastic! You're doing so well today, children. Let's learn to read a tricky word. We are going to learn to read the tricky word looked. Well, the first bit is easy. L, O, K. But the second bit is tricky. It says T. When I read it, I say L, O, K, T. Now read the word with me. L, O, K, T. Looked. Awesome. Now read it yourself. What's the word? Sorry, what was that? Yes, the word is L, O, K, T. Looked. Fantastic. Now let's practice reading some tricky words that you have met before. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is the letters say O. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. O. Now let's practice reading another tricky word that I know you've met before. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is here. It says E. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. S, E, D. Said. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Here's my first sentence. Can you see any words with today's grapheme O? Yes, this word, and this word all have today's grapheme O. Can you see a word with the split vowel digraph A? Yes, this word has the split vowel digraph A. Can you see any tricky words? Yes, here is a tricky word. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And remember, use your sounds to help you sound the words out if you're not sure. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. No, don't go in the lake. Brilliant reading. Okay, children, here is my second sentence. Have a look and see if you can find any words with today's grapheme O. That's right. This word here has today's grapheme O. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes. This word, this word, this word, this word, and this word all have digraphs. Can you see the tricky word that we learnt to read today? Yes, there it is. That's our tricky word that we learnt to read today. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And remember to use your sounds to blend any words you're not sure of. Wonderful reading! Now let's read it together. We both looked for beads to play the game. I wonder what game the children are going to play with the beads. Fantastic, children. Now let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell two words with today's grapheme O. Let's spell both. Segment the sounds with me. Both. B-O-th. Let's count how many sounds there are. Both. B-O-th. That's 3 sounds. Now watch me write both. B O both. Now I'm going to hide the word both. I want you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the grapheme O. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Fantastic! Now let's spell go. Segment the sounds with me. Go. G-O. Let's count how many sounds there are. Go. G-O. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write the word go. G-O. Now I want you to try and spell that word. I'm going to hide it. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. And don't forget the grapheme O. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Brilliant. Let's learn to spell a tricky word. We can read the tricky word looked, so now let's spell it. Segment the sounds with me. Looked. L-O-K-T. Let's count how many sounds there are. Looked. L-O-K-T. That's 4 sounds. Watch me write looked. L. O. K. And the last bit is tricky. The ED says T. T. The word is looked. I'll hide the word. And now I want you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The letters E and D say T. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Now let's practice reading a tricky word that you have met before. Segment the sounds with me. O. Let's count how many sounds there are. O. Oh, that's 1 sound. Watch me write O. Can you remember the tricky bit? The sound O is made with the letters O and H. O is written with O and H. I'm going to hide the word. And now I want you to have a go. Say the word and say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? O is written with a letter O and H. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Well done, children. You worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. See you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds.
Well, there we go, everyone. Hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. You've worked really hard and we're so proud of you. Why don't you celebrate by sharing a lovely book together with someone at home?